Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problem solving with multiplication. This video will look at how to solve some typical problems involving the multiplication algorithm. So again, following on from the last few videos, we have to read the wording carefully and then we decide what operation to use. So in the first example, a car yard had 7 luxury cars, each costing $56,784. What was the total cost of the 7 cars? You can see just by the wording that we have some multiplication involved here. So it's 56,784 multiplied by 7. 7 fours are 28. There's the 8 and there's the 2. 7 eights are 56 plus 2 is 58. There's the 5. 7 sevens are 49, plus 5 is 54. 7 sixes are 42, plus 5 is 47. And 7 fives are 35, plus 4 is 39. So the total cost was $397,488. In a large company, there were 37 executives, and the average salary for each executive was $156,345. What was the total salary bill for these 37 executives? So basically all you do, you have 156,345 and you multiply that by 37. That's basically what you do. So here's a good example of long multiplication. It's quite a detailed little process, but if you just follow the rules that we saw in previous videos, you can't go wrong. So very quickly, 7 fives are 35. There's your 3. So all these numbers here, this trading that we do here, they belong to the 7. 7 fours are 28. Okay. And 3 is 31. There's the 1 and there's the 3. 7 threes are 21, plus 3 is 24. There's the 4 and there's the 2. 7 sixes are 42, plus 2 is 44. There's the 4 and the other 4. 7 fives are 35, plus 4 is 39. There's the 9 and there's the 3. And 7 ones are 7, plus 3 is 10. Now, when we multiply by 3, we're actually multiplying by 30. So that's why we put the 0 here. We saw that in previous videos. 3 fives are 15, there's the 5 and there's the 1. 3 fours are 12 and 1 is 13. There's the 3 and there's the 1. 3 threes are 9 and 1 is 10. There's the 0 and there's the 1. 3 sixes are 18. Plus 1 is 19. There's the 9 and there's the 1. 3 fives are 15. Plus 1 is 16. There's the 6 and there's the 1. And 3 ones are 3, plus 1 is 4. So when we add all those numbers together, we get a total salary bill of $5,784,765. So this very short video has just shown you how to solve a few problems using the multiplication algorithm.